Well, been doing demos all day. As you can see, there's a fender that's mounted already. Now I'm going to do the mirror, side mirror. So, spraying some gel, doing the first cleanup, like so, just to get out any dust, any debris. It's already been cleaned with isopropyl alcohol beforehand, so don't need to do that. I'll just soak this thing in gel, and we'll soak this one as well. So what gel is doing is creating a barrier between the film and the car, which in turn means that I can play with the film on the car and adjust it and stretch it and do things that are needed. And we have a demo over there as well, very nice. So I'm just going to quickly give this a stretch on the car, hold it down until it grabs. There you go. Give it a quick squeegee action right here, and then stretch it upwards as well. There we go. So that we have it basically glassed on top of the mirror. Just squeezing out all the gel that I possibly can. And now for whoever understands paint protection foam and wraps, they can see that I have a lot of extra material hanging here, which is a problem, which means that I cannot just get it to stick. It's too much material, like just curtaining right here. Not good. But I do have a lamp right here. It's a blinker lamp, the light. I can just do a quick relief cut, as I call it, as many people call it actually. Cut it out. And what I do is I score the film so I don't damage the paint. And then I can just move all this extra material. I can move it upwards. Give it a tiny stretch on the mirror. Hold it down. Squeegee out whatever gel is left there. And then do a quick little stretch down here as well. Oh, come on. It's a lot of gel. It's very slippery, unfortunately. But yeah. So, there's that, and then there's just the cutting part left. So I will choose my lines carefully, so I don't mess it up, because then I have to redo it. I'll use a long blade and I score the top layer of the film, just like so. There we go. And I just remove it like a zipper. Now maybe you can already see in the video, you have some chips, rock chips on this mirror. It's not perfect, but hey, this is for demo purposes. It's all okay, not a problem. I'll do a little cut over here as well. And then the top part, just right at the edge, maybe like a millimeter or two. Oh, give me a second. There we go. Like so. And then now, if I had some water to spray here, that would have been nice, but I don't have it right now, unfortunately, because then it would help me tack the film down right at the edge. where I can cut it off. But we'll gloss over this for now. And we'll give this one a cut as well. Kind of quick and easy. There's some edges that need to be watered down a little bit, but there's a lot of gel underneath there that's preventing me from actually putting down all the film. So what I would say is that a spray of just normal water or distilled water would flush out all the gel, and you could easily put down the film. As I said, unfortunately, I don't have it at the moment. But yeah, that's the mirror for you. I'll just give this a quick clean. Now, as you can see, there's already a piece of vinyl on this light, but that will not stop us from protecting the rest of it. So I'm just going to do this part right now. A quick clean. There you go. Soak it with gel. Put it on. So let's do a quick tack over here. Send out all the gel, and then a bit of a teeny tiny stretch. Whoop. Of course, and let go as well. There you go, some stretch. Thank you. So what it does, this clear film is just designed to protect basically your paint or whatever the surface you put it on. So headlights are very sort of, facing forward, getting all the rock chips, all of that. Let the film taking instead of the headlight. So these are not cheap headlights exactly. Protecting them for a few quid will not hurt anyone. There we go. So every time I try to cut it, I get a little bit of lift, which creates some air bubbles, but it's okay. Not to worry. Just squeegee them out and they'll be fine. Just a bit more of cutting over here. As I said, I only score the film. I do not cut through, which means that I am not cutting the plastic lens of the headlight. I just make my cut a bit round here as well. It's not working with me. Squeegee the rest into place. And just like that, we have a protected headlight.